Hello everyone. In this video tutorials, we will walk through how to create Facebook account. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to head over to facebook.com on your web browser or download the Facebook app on your phone or tablet. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, you'll see a sign-up section. Here, you'll enter your first and last name, email address. You'll need to type it twice to confirm, and create a strong password. When choosing a password, make sure it's a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. Don't use easily guessable information like your birthday or pet's name. Next, you'll be prompted to add your birthday and gender. While this information is optional, it helps Facebook personalize your experience. Facebook will send a verification code to your email address. Check your inbox, find the code, and enter it on the sign-up page. This confirms you have access to the email address you provided. Congratulations! You've successfully created your Facebook account. Note: Facebook has now updated its policy for new accounts. You will need to verify your selfie from Facebook. You can upload it by clicking on the Upload button. Facebook will review your information, and once you are verified, your Facebook account will be created. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can create your Facebook account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.